Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Drive folders to SharePoint with sync setup, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have access to both the local Drive folders and the SharePoint site. Open your File Explorer and navigate to the local drive containing the folders you want to transfer. Select the folders you wish to move to SharePoint. Right-click on the selected folders and choose the copy option. Now, open your web browser and navigate to your SharePoint site. Sign in with your work or school account if prompted. Once you're on the SharePoint homepage, identify the document library where you want to transfer the folders. Click on the document library to open it. To set up syncing, locate the Sync button, usually found in the toolbar. Click on the Sync button to start the sync process. You may be prompted to open OneDrive. If so, allow it to proceed. Follow any additional prompts to launch OneDrive. Once OneDrive is running, you will see a confirmation that the library is syncing. Return to your File Explorer. You will now see a folder named after your SharePoint document library in the OneDrive section of your File Explorer. Open that folder. Now, go back to your local folders that you copied earlier. Right-click within the SharePoint synced folder and select Paste. The folders will begin transferring to SharePoint. You can monitor the progress via the OneDrive client in your taskbar. Once the transfer is complete, check the SharePoint site to confirm the folders have been uploaded successfully. To ensure synchronization is functioning, make a minor change to a file in SharePoint. This change should reflect in your synced local folder. If everything is synchronized correctly, your setup is complete. You are now able to manage your files seamlessly between your local drive and SharePoint. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.